I thought you all might be interested in seeing some artwork I discovered here. I believe this is Aerial Acres or Aerial Heights. It's north of North Edwards off of Clay Mine Road, which is exit 188 of California 58. You know, I want you to check these things out. Okay, look at this guy. This is probably one of the simpler ones, right? Just hang tight, you'll be excited. Look at this. He's got a whole bunch of them. Here's a piece of tractor here, or rather, yeah, for digging something. Furrows. Got another one right there. I can't see squat in this screen. It's very bright out here. Look at this guy. Yeah! Help me! Teapot. Teapot and an oil can split. A couple of forks. We're cool. He's got a robot man in there. See that robot right there? Is that or is that not cool? We missed one there. This guy's got dreadlocks. Dreadlocks and a spiked collar. Then we got your torque converter turned into a UFO. Oh, this looks like little augers. Easy outs. Huh. Yes, indeed. He's got some bells hanging up there. And then we come over here to another torque converter with an antenna, beacon on top, torque converter, rebar, valves from an engine, gasoline engine. And here we got whatever the heck that is. I like them. I think they're neat. Octopus. See, we got I don't know what we got there. Spider gears. Pipe. Something else. Here's a guy. I was so impressed with this. I took a bunch of pictures of it last time I was here, but I didn't have this fancy camera phone like I do now. So that's why you're getting the deluxe tour. This is a guy standing up. He's facing the other way, though, looks like. Top of that pole. Indeedy. Star or a meteor? Take your pick. I don't know if this is a... Oh, it's a warrior in male. Alrighty. Shears, chain, shovel, bicycle forks. Aha. Little hubcap. Telephone ringer bells. A couple of golf. What heck see I call those ends? They're the ends. Look like a chipping iron maybe. And then we got the dance. The dance is going on here. All right. Oh, the Viceroceros. See, we got rockers out of an engine, a couple of ball bearings, a vise, of course. Old gas can of some sort, propane or something. So bicycle sprocket pieces, chain, a couple of big ball bearings, and that's a farming piece off of something. Rolls along the ground as the tractor's kicking its ass. Feel free to pause to look at these things without the camera shaking in your face like that. Wouldn't blame you a bit. Okay, looks like that might be the end for us. Yeah, he doesn't have any over there on the back side, on the back 40. I mean, isn't that enough work already? All right, folks, I'll let you go. I'll post this in a minute. See ya.